ASUS Prime Z590-A is a high-end motherboard that is designed for gamers and enthusiasts. It features support for Intel's 10th and 11th gen processors that use the LGA 1200 socket. It also has PCIe 4.0 and Thunderbolt 4 support. So first, let's take a look at the design of the motherboard. The ASUS Prime Z590-A has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any system. It features an all-black PCB with silver accents and RGB lighting that can be customized to match your system. Next, let's talk about the features of the ASUS Prime Z590-A. It has 3 M.2 slots. As we can see here, 2 of the 3 M.2 slots are covered by these heat sinks, while the remaining third is not covered by a heatsink. So it's definitely a plus that you get not only 1 but 2 heat sinks for your M.2 drives. Although this remaining third one will not come with the heatsink, you can always buy an NVMe drive that includes its own heatsink. And over here at the edge of the motherboard, you do get 6 SATA ports to connect up your traditional hard drive. Looking at the back of the motherboard, you do get plenty of USB-A ports as well as a couple of USB Type-C ports. A nice feature of this motherboard is that it includes a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. And another great thing that this motherboard has is a USB 3.2 front panel Type-C connector header right here. And one of the things that sets the ASUS Prime Z590-A apart from other motherboards is its robust power delivery system. It has 16 power stages that can handle even the most demanding CPUs, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. Another great feature is its support for Aura-Sync RGB lighting, and you can customize lighting on your motherboard and other compatible components to create a unique look for your system. So now let's talk about performance. If you want to run a high-end gaming system, you can easily pair the ASUS Prime Z590-A with an Intel Core i9-11900K processor and 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and it will perform like an absolute beast for gaming. With this configuration, you can easily play your favorite games at max settings without any issues and even do some video editing without any problems at all. If you pair this motherboard with the right video card, you can easily play a lot of the popular games such as Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Warzone, and Apex Legends. You can easily get an average FPS of 90 or above at max settings in these popular games. Overall, I highly recommend the ASUS Prime Z590-A motherboard for anyone who is looking to build a high-end gaming PC on a budget. It's packed with features and affordably priced.